Welcome! Today we're drawing 5 fun fish. The secret to this project is really that almond shape that we start with that does not need to be perfect. Then we'll divide it for the head, the face, the tail, add the pattern, and totally up to you if you want to add the fins. Doesn't need them. So let's get started. I did start by creating just a gentle wave with a pencil line so that my fish weren't just going in a straight line and they kind of curve with the water. And I'm just starting with that almond shape. One is a little bit above the line. And then I make the line that divides it for the face, so I know where the head is going to go. And then I tried to do all different simple tails so that you can experiment and pick what you like. And I also tried to do different little faces. I did keep them smiling in this, but certainly you can try all different mouths as well. Once I did the face and tail, I added a design for the body, just keeping any simple lines and shapes. Here it's just a bumpy line, and then I added some dots with it. I only add the color in the ones that you can see as a guide so that the video would be short. It also works as a black and white, so totally up to you. So my bubbles, I'd always give the 3 different sizes, and each fish has some bubbles somewhere around it. So my next fish, right, I'm starting with the almond shape again for the body, and you can see it's a little bit different, just like almonds, not perfect. Gave the head, if you're going to do more details on the face, you want to have that section bigger. And then this tail I did with more points, so mixing it up. And on this one I'm dividing it so the pattern of the design is really on the upper half of the fish and his lower half is going to be lighter. So some polka dots, big and small. And my next fish, right, so I'm looking at that curved line. I'm now having it behind it but curved up. So we're starting again with that almond shape, making the line so we know where we're going to put the face. And then this one, as you can see, the tail is just a little bit different again. And as I space and put this fourth fish, so it's kind of going in the space between the 3, totally up to you. And you could definitely do more than 5 because there are so many variations. I'm actually going to do some other fish videos because this one was just concentrating with the almond shape for the body. You can do so many different things. But I spaced it so it's in the space below those fish. And I'm keeping them relatively the same size, but again, that's another space that you could, or thing you could change a lot. And again, I didn't make the line dividing this to show that this design is really more on its top, but I didn't go all the way around with this design, so it's more on the top. And then my bubbles for this fish as well. And my 5th fish, see, I was kind of going in the space in between the 2 above. Almost like a heart for the tail. And you can keep them just like this, but then I went and showed you might decide to add the side fins. You might decide to add the dorsal fins. So I showed some options, but I still wanted to keep it as short as possible for the video. So, and they don't all need to have everything. So experiment and come up with all different combinations that you like. Enjoy.